controlling. This one mistake ruins Saloni for most people. This Saloni recipe tastes better the next day, but only if you follow this exact order. First, make a powerful green paste. Fresh coriander, 12 green chilies and 15 garlic cloves. Grind it fine. Heat mustard oil till it releases aroma. Heat mustard oil properly. Add cumin powder. Add fenugreek carefully. Do not burn it. Cumin powder, fenugreek, slowly, gently. Now potatoes go in. This is where magic starts. Add potatoes. Let them soak the oil. Add turmeric now. Never earlier or taste will spoil. Now turmeric. Timing matters. Green peas and that fresh green paste. Green peas and that fresh paste. Salt. Mix slowly. Let flavors wake up. Salt and mix with patience. This is real homemade Saloni. This is comfort food, Indian style. Save this recipe. You'll cook it again, like if you love simple recipes. Follow Kitchen Hub Delights for daily magic. Follow for more vegetarian magic.